Thank you, Madam Commissioner. We will now proceed with the speakers on behalf of the political groups. First to speak for the EPP group for 1 minute and a half, Mrs. Metsola.
Thank you. I am proud of my country. I am proud of the Maltese people and that we are part of the Union of Values of the European Union. I am proud that I come from a small country with an important history that has given a contribution to history. This is what makes us Maltese. Our size was never an obstacle because our potential cannot be limited by geography. We worked hard and we managed, and we did so because our determination comes from our integrity. The character of the people of Malta and Gozo is what marks us out, and we've had to fight to hold this identity, and we faced down all scenarios of people who ironically now find themselves in this very parliament, because we know that, and as we know now, that we are Maltese, we are Gozitan, and we are European. Maltese values are European values, and we must be clear. The assassination of journalists should never be tolerated. Corruption is not acceptable. Impunity and injustice should be fought always. This is what I promote and defend always. And this is the spirit of this resolution, that it should give how things should do in the future. This is what I will always do. I am part of politics because I have a belief and I have principles, and I will continue doing this by speaking in the name of the Maltese people.
Mr. Biden.